Boom. Look at that. Here we go. What's going on, Excel fanatics? Verdexes here. This video, I'm going to show you how to randomly generate numbers between 0 and 9 and without any duplicates, just in time for Super Bowl Sunday. This is really just a quick and easy way to get this done without your friends and family calling you a dirty cheater. Through this tutorial, I'm going to show you this through Excel Online because I think some of the formulas being used aren't supported on anything prior to Excel 365. Now, if you have tried this before, you may have thought of the formula RANDBETWEEN, so that's R-A-N-D between, and bottom and top just means the min and the max, so the min being 0 and 9. And the reason this doesn't work, if you drag it across, is because duplicates show up and you don't want duplicates, right? So if you need to double check if there are duplicates, I mean, you can kind of spot it pretty quickly. But if you go to conditional formatting and duplicate values, man, there's those rules. Yeah, maybe later. You see that there's a bunch of duplicates there. So this isn't going to work. Let's delete this. And the formula is a little more complex. So I'm going to leave the formula in the description below. Go ahead and copy them. There's two. One for the columns and one for the rows. So go ahead and do that now. All right, once you copy and paste those bad boys, right? So notice that there is a difference between these two. So the one is for the sequence that has a comma 10, and the other does not have a comma beforehand. So that's the only thing that really distinguishes. What you'll notice, these all add up to 45, which is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. Booyah. And that goes both ways. And so you are good to go. And actually notice if you leave the formula intact, if I start typing around in other cells, the numbers keep updating randomly. You aren't finalized yet. Maybe you want to mix these up a few times. I'm just writing in like whatever. You notice how it keeps changing even when I'm typing and deleting. You want to do, save a copy of this so that you can use this in the future. But what you want to do to make sure the numbers lock in place so that when you start typing in names, you know, just copy the whole thing, Control C, then right click and paste values. And you are ready for the Super Bowl.